Our world and everything in it has a secret history. An object as simple as a penny seems ordinary, but that penny has a story that goes back billions of years. This is the true story of pocket change. Scientists do not know how the universe began, but somehow it exists. 13 billion years ago, our young galaxy was a cloud of energy rotating in the vacuum of space. And what we know as reality did not exist. The sun, earth, oxygen, and life itself did not exist. But the energy was there. In the absence of life, the galaxy churns. What happens next is inevitable. Gravity pulls material together. It forms a dense cloud of hydrogen and helium. When the pressure from gravity becomes too great, particles are forced together, releasing energy, and the first stars are born. The galaxy lights up one star at a time. The stars burn for millions or billions of years. In the core of these stars, fusion occurs and atoms are formed one by one. The oxygen in our lungs was once in the center of a burning star. Big stars create atoms up to iron, but even stars don't live forever. There are many ways for a star to die. Their birth is as inevitable as their destruction. They eventually run out of fuel to burn, and the pressure of gravity overcomes the core. The explosion is so powerful that it creates a ripple in space itself. When the star explodes, within a fraction of a second, atoms heavier than iron are formed from the shock wave of the star tearing itself apart. The copper that makes up pennies on the ground was formed in the death of a supernova. The remnants of the dead star gets hurtled in every direction into space, filling a galaxy once made of only hydrogen and helium with heavier elements like iron and gold. This material floats through space, and some of it settles around new stars. Some supernovas are formed when one star is feeding off the material of another. When this star goes supernova, the shock wave creates pressure so intense that the material from dead stars floating around it is yet again fused into heavy elements, and materials from these dead stars can float through space for millions or billions of years. Around 4 billion years ago, our sun was formed in a similar way, and surrounding it was a cloud of all the heavy elements that make up our world. Billions of more years pass as all of the atoms form a solid planet orbiting our sun. These atoms combine, resulting in life and every living being on the planet. Everything on Earth is a result of the death of thousands of stars over millions of years. So the next time you see a penny on the ground, or gold in somebody's jewelry, you will know the particles that make up your body, everyone you have ever met, and everything you have ever seen spent billions of years in the center of stars that died long before our sun existed. That is a true story about pocket change.